Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a study on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to create a study. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply go to the top options, hover learn, then click on study. Now, as you can see, you can study a lot of options right here that is provided by Lichess. As you can see, it's kind of endless. If you scroll down more, you will find even more. So if you want to create a study like those, you can simply go to this plus option. As you can see, create a study, click on it. And as you can see, you will have to name it visibility. Choose if you want to change the visibility, chat, computer analysis, open explorer and tablet base, table base, sorry, allow cloning, share and export, enable synchronization, and pin study comments. So choose your settings of that, then simply click on start. Then, of course, you can simply go and edit your chapter name if you want, editor, the URL, a lot of stuff you can do here, of course. As you can see here, you can edit your position and do whatever you want here in your study. Once you finish, click on create study. And of course, just make your study here. Once you finish, you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.